Welcome, in front of me is a Blackview A200 Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles and find the hotspot toggle. For me it is on the first page right over here. Once you see yours, you're going to hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here you can start off by selecting hotspot password, which will display the randomly generated password. Now you can use this one if you want, but let's be honest, it is not a very typing in friendly password, so I will just get rid of it and set up my own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter. And then you can go over other options in here, customize them to fit your needs. Once you've done so, close this. You don't have to ever come back here again as long as you don't want to change anything. And now find the toggle once more, and this time around just simply tap on it to toggle it on. And once you're done using your hotspot, by default it will turn itself off after like 10 minutes of an activity, but you can do that before the timer runs out by just tapping on the toggle once more. And I do want to point that out, as hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And here I just wanted to check, it does not turn off your Wi-Fi, as on some cheaper devices when you enable hotspot it might turn off your Wi-Fi. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.